Materials required: kite papers, orange, pink and green. Piece of wool. Scissors. Scale. First, take half A4 sized orange kite papers and make 2 folds inwards, just as we are doing here. Now fold both the ends into 2 triangles on each side. Next, fold the 2 flaps inwards, lengthwise from the center. Now, fold outwards along the length. Smoothen the paper and make paper fold sets of 3 orange and 1 green colors. Now, assemble one set of 3 orange pieces, keeping one inside the other and the green paper in the center. Similarly, make 4 sets of such kind. Next, tie 4 similar sets together with a piece of wool. Hold the set from the center and spread out the assembled pieces one by one. Keeping the green pieces down, open the folds of the orange pieces to make the whorls of the lotus. In the end, twist the outer edge of the green pieces upwards to make the sepals. This way, your paper lotus is ready, and that was really a creative way to make a paper lotus.